Ready to have your mind blown? Repeat after me and watch what happens just after 24 hours. But the trick to all this is the words you and I are about to say out loud, you have to feel in your heart as it's your new truth. No hoping this is going to work out, no wishful manifesting practice. You got to know that what you're about to say is your new reality. Because you and I, we're living in the matrix. This is an illusion. And by changing our internal belief system, we can actually reflect outwards and change our reality. And the multiverse exists. There's a parallel reality version of you that is so much more successful, that has way more money, that has way more goodness in their life. And if I can help you change timelines, the things that magnetize in your life are going to be incredible. Now, before we jump into it, make sure you're subscribed and throw a like on this video to claim the energy so you can come back to video and let us know the amazing results that unfold. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Scott Haug, manifesting mentor and healer who's worked with over 2,500 clients with over a decade of experience, manifesting my own 7 figures, dream living, and luxury as well. And I was also mentored by the Bob Proctor and became one of his top 10 coaches in the entire world as well. And also, if you know who Alex Hormozi is, won the Alex Hormozi School Games and was the 15th person in the history to do so. That only all happened because of what we're about to do together on this video. It's all about a change in identity, a change of self-image, a change in who you believe yourself to be. And as the great Paulo Coelho, author of The Alchemist, once said, the universe will conspire to ensure that whatever you're wanting, you're going to receive. And stick to the end of the video because we're about to go through an entire visual diagram of how the consciousness of the universe actually mirrors back precisely what you're wanting to manifest. Are you ready? Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, nowhere to go, nothing to do, just be right here in this present moment. Now, repeat exactly after me. The universe is on my side. Things are becoming better and better for me. Everything I'm intending for my life, my higher self already received. The universe is constantly mirroring what I'm visualizing. And so it just naturally responds to my energy. This has nothing to do with being a good person or not. It has everything to do with the vibration I'm broadcasting, as well as the actions and skills I'm developing. All originating substance is plastic. And it molds based on the identity I hold of myself. So therefore, I now see myself as thriving. And I see myself winning bigger than ever before. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Now, to solidify everything we've done so far, go ahead and comment 5 times on separate lines. Thank you, universe. Thank you, universe. Because gratitude is the energy you're sending out, which puts you in better harmony with the substance. And bonus points, also comment to claim, I am a thriving identity now. I am a thriving identity now. Now, before we go into the most important part 2 visual, you're going to want to get off YouTube at some point and actually have day-to-day instructions that are 10 times bigger and more broad than this. So check this out really quick. Doing the exercise we're doing right now works, But to truly master manifesting, you need daily direction in an elite environment outside of YouTube. That's why I've created the Manifestation Accelerator. It's an 84 module system. It takes 5 minutes a day and all the practices you're going to need to rewire your subconscious. You'll join our soul tribe, get myself and my team's personal support, and also access to our 5-day challenge to manifest $1,000 or more. So join us inside the course. It's just $22 a month, and it's where the sustainable, real transformation happens permanently. I'll see you inside. Now, welcome back to part 2, and I'm going to be so excited to see you in the Accelerator course after this as well. What we're talking about here is that you are seeing in your imagination something you're wanting, whether that be a certain amount of money, a dream living, anything that you're wanting in this lifetime. When you visualize, you are actually seeing a divine mirror, and the universe, we're going to say this is like a really big eye, because it's the eye of the universe, it sees all, okay? Pretend that's an eyeball. Is actually mirroring back to you what you see. So when you visualize, you're not actually just daydreaming. You're not just imagining what you're wanting. You are truly sending out an energy, which is a vibration, to the ether, which is the all-originating thinking substance. And the universe mirrors back exactly what you see and feel. So it's not just what you see, it's also how you feel it, what you believe. So if you start getting emotionally involved with something you're really wanting, you're celebrating in your mind, it feels really good. You are literally sending it to the universe, and the universe is responding, okay, you want more of this, I'll send more of it to you. When you're seeing something, you're really frustrated and you're arguing in your mind and it's not happening, the universe says the same thing, okay, you want more of it. It doesn't say yes or no. It just responds to what you're doing in your mind. If you persist in the feeling that you already have what it is that you want, you receive it as soon as you visualize it, not in time, not in 3 days from now. The moment you see it and feel it, it's yours. And you claim it. As long as it starts to feel natural, like it's already a part of your life, it's already who you are, that's when things start to really come into the 3D plane as evidence of your visualizing. Now, this is incredible to understand and know, because every day you are the child and the universe is the adult. As funny as that sounds, because it's co-creating with you. You are the spark of the source substance that's helping you do this entire thing. So do you see why it's so important that the words that we've been saying, you need to feel them in your heart as if they're true? Because at a different dimension, they are spiritually true. They might be physical lies in this life where you're at right now, but at a higher level, they're truth. As a part 2 activation, now repeat after me. I activate only the best of the best in my life. I activate all forms of abundance into my life. Everything is working out so perfectly for me. The universe is simply mirroring my energy. And my energy is what I think and feel together. I understand and I activate the best. To solidify all of part 2, go ahead and comment below 3 times. The universe mirrors my energy. The universe mirrors my energy. And as a bonus, claim your new identity. So comment below what your new identity is. I am now a thriving creator. I am now an abundant manifester. What's your new identity? Because from that identity is where the actions will come from. And during the process, you act on your ideas, you increase your skills, and you go out to quality work and serve the world. And if you haven't already, throw a like on this video and share this video with as many people as you possibly can that could really use an upgrade in their mindset, their alignment, and understanding of how this manifestation process goes. This is Scott Haug, and I'll see you over in the next video. Much love to you.